Assalamualaikum students. Lecture number 37 and from chapter number 1, Introduction to Biology. And today we will study the levels of organization. That first level of organization is subatomic and atomic level. Firstly, there is a matter. Matter is composed by the element. When elements combine together, they form the matter. And how element is formed? Elements are formed when atoms combine together, and A means not and Tom means cut. And atoms, what are atoms? Subatomic particles, when combined together they form atom. So first level is the smallest level, that subatomic particles means electron, protons and neutrons. These are present in the atom. When these subatomic particles combine together, they form atom. And when atoms combine together, they form element, means hydrogen. And when elements combine together, they form the matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and have some volume. There are about 92 elements, out of which 16 are bioelements. कि 92 एलिमेंट्स जो है वो हमारे अर्थ क्रस्ट पे प्रेजेंट हैं, लेकिन उनमें से जो 16 है, दीज आर बायो एलिमेंट्स. बायो एलिमेंट्स आर दोज डेट आर प्रेजेंट इन द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स. एंड आउट ऑफ 16, 6 बायो एलिमेंट्स make 99% of the living organism, while 10 bio elements make 1% of the body. And 6 bio elements that make 99% of the body are oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, calcium, nitrogen and phosphorus, while 10 bioelements that are present in 1% are potassium, sulfur, chlorine, magnesium, iron, copper, manganese, zinc and iodine. Next level is the molecular level. Now bioelements have been formed in first level when they combine together. Bioelements through ionic or covalent bonding binds with any other molecule, okay, and they form a molecule. Now bioelements with other bioelement, they form bonding, ionic or covalent, and form a molecule or biomolecule. For example, water is the biomolecule because it is present in the living organism, and this is also a molecule because it is present on the earth crust. So water is formed when oxygen and hydrogen, that is bioelements, combine together. So this is the molecular level. And there are some biomolecules classification. There are of two types: micromolecules and macromolecules. Micromolecules are those which have less molecular weight, and macromolecules are those which have high molecular weight. And the example of micromolecule is glucose and water, while macromolecules is starch and proteins. Next is organelle and cell level. Now all of you know that organelles are present in the cell cytoplasm. Now when biomolecules combine together, they form the organelle, and organelle combine together and form the cell. Because organelles are present inside the cell, when they assemble together, they form the complete set of life, that is cell. Cell is the basic unit of life. As you can see in diagram, the animal and plant cell, and there are many organelles, and the organelles names are Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, plastids, etc. All these are the organelles. And each type of organelle is specialized for to perform a specific function, because organelle have dedicated some functions. Okay, for example, mitochondria is specialized for the cellular respiration, and ribosomes are specialized for protein synthesis. Similarly, the function of the cell are accomplished by these specialized structures, and it is the example of division of labor within cell. कि आपके पास जो सेल है, उनके पास हर सेल के अंदर जो ऑर्गेनेल्स हैं, उनको डेडिकेटेड फंक्शंस परफॉर्म करने हैं. ठीक है, तो क्योंकि उनको डिवीजन, वो हर जो एक ऑर्गेनेल है वो अपना फंक्शन परफॉर्म कर रही है, इस वजह से क्या कहते हैं कि उनके पास डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर है, कि हर सेल अपना अपना काम परफॉर्म करता है. Next is the tissue level. When similar cells combine together, organized into groups, they form tissue, and each tissue carries out its own life processes. For example, plant tissues and animal tissues are epidermal tissue and ground tissue, and animal tissues are nervous tissue and muscular tissue. Next is the organ. Now when different tissues combine together, more than one type of tissues combine together that are performing similar functions and they make a unit called organ. For example, stomach has two tissues, epithelial and muscular tissue, and the epithelial tissue form the gastric juice that helps in the digestion of protein, while muscular tissue is responsible for the contraction of stomach walls. In this way it performs the function of grinding of food and moving food to the posterior end. Next is the organ system level. Now when different organs that have related functions organize together, they form the organ system. For example, digestive system. Digestive system consists of oral cavity, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver and pancreas. All these are the different organs. When they combine together, they form the organ system. Next is the individual level. Now when different organs and organ systems organize together, they form the individual or organisms. And in organisms, different organs and organ systems activities are coordinated with each other. For example, when a man is engaged in continuous and hard exercise, not only his muscles are working but also there is an increase in the rate of respiration and heartbeat. कि जब एक इंसान एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं तो उसके सिर्फ और सिर्फ मसल्स इन्वॉल्व नहीं है, बल्कि उसका हार्ट भी इन्वॉल्व है, ठीक है, उसके लंग्स भी इन्वॉल्व है. सेम टाइम पे डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स जो है वो अपना फंक्शन परफॉर्म करें. सो दिस इज द इंडिविजुअल लेवल. And this accelerated rate of respiration and heartbeat supplies more oxygen and food to the muscle which they need for the continuous work. कि उसको काम करने के लिए क्या चाहिए, एक तो फूड, दूसरा ऑक्सीजन का सप्लाई. सो हार्ट बीट जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट हो जाती है जिसकी वजह से वो ब्लड जो है वो सप्लाई कर पाता है. सो दिस इज द इंडिविजुअल लेवल दैट फॉर्म्स व्हेन different organ systems combine together. First is the subatomic and atomic level, then they combine together form the molecular level. After molecular level they form the organelle level, and when organelles combine together assemble they form the cell level, and when similar cells performing similar functions organize together they form tissue, and different tissues having related functions combine together they form organ, and when organs that have related functions combine together they form organ system, and when organ and organ system combine together they form the individual level. Today's diary is learn the topic the levels of organization, that is number 1 to number 6, page number 7 to 10. Thank you.